Hi friends, welcome to this Techie Tour Info. This is Sendil for you. Today what we are going to see is the Arduino board. Here you can see the big one, the USB connection here. This is for connecting the USB port of laptop to the Arduino. So this is used for downloading the programs. And here what is a DC input jack, so it's a 7 to 12 volt DC input jack you have. And main what you're going to see is the connection pins here. The first pin is not connected, you're not using that. The second pin is input output reference voltage pin point, and this one is the reset point, and this is 3.3 volt output. And again we have a 5 volt output from here, and two grounds are there here, and input voltage. Suppose you want to give the input voltage, it can be here. You can see V in input voltage. And analog pin, if you see, you can have, we see from A0 to A5, but usually we use 0 1 2 3, A0, A1, A2, A3 as the analog input. You can use A4 and A5 also, but if you see the other purpose of A4 and A5, A4 can be used as I to C SDA, and the other one is I to C SCL. These pins are there made for Atmega ICSP for Atmega controllers. This is a Atmega microcontroller. You can see here's a microcontroller, heart of this Arduino, where the processing takes place here in this microcontroller. And the advantage of Arduino board is you have microcontrollers, you have input pins, everything is inbuilt here. We have a transmitter and receiver too. And this part, if you see, this is for, I already said, ICSP for Atmega, and we have the VCC pin here, and then second one is the MOSI, and third one is the ground. And the other side, if you see, the first pin is the reset, second one is SCK, and third one is the MISO. And mostly we use these pins also. That is, first one is the receiver pin, and next is the transmitter pin. We say TXD and RXD here. And the third is going to be the from here you can see the digital input starts from 2 to 13. You can this 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 are digital input pins. You can use as a digital input pin also. At the same time, this 2 and 3, this pin number 2 and 3 can be used as a interrupt 1 and interrupt 2 pin. And here if you see the pin number 10, there's a special symbol given there in pin number 10. It's because you can use as a slave select, SS we say slave select. And next one can be number 9 can be number 10 can be used as the slave select, and number 11 you can see here number 11 can be used as the MOSI, master out slave in, and 12 can be used as MISO, that is master in slave out, and the next one can be used as that is the pin number 13 can be used as a serial clock. So this 10 to 13 as a special purpose also, apart from digital inputs. 10 can be used as the 10 can be used as SS, then MOSI, then MISO, then you can use as a SCK. So that is the specialty. And pin 13, you can see here the pin 13 is also used as a LED output pin. Usually they initialize the 13 to LED also. And you can see another one is the reset pin. You can see a reset button. Whenever you want to reset, you can use this pin is ICSP for USB interface. ICSP for USB interface. For that purpose it is used. And this you can see is a crystal. This is a crystal input, and this is the regulator, voltage regulator pin is this. This is about the Arduino board. Majorly we'll be using this analog inputs and digital inputs and transmitter and receiver and power. Especially the power points you should know, which is where you have to get 5 volt output, where you have to give voltage input. All this thing you should be remember in the Arduino board. And this about the Arduino board. We'll wait for the programs. Thank you very much.